Lovelies. So today we're gonna get inspired by a hot pink dream bob right here. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. This wig is from Sam's Beauty right here, and it is part of the sensational SHEAR Muse collection. It's so very exciting, and her name is Makayla. So what's so exciting about this wig and this wig line is that it comes in so many extremely amazing colors. So I chose the hot pink. I've lately been like really obsessed with hot pink everything, but look at all these amazing colors. Like literally it was so extremely hard to choose the pink, but I was like, I gotta do it. And what's neat about this line right here is there actually is a color called Color Me. So with that, they actually have instructional videos showing you how to create a wig color of your choice. Like how exciting is that? So that's actually really, really neat that they have that. Now, not only do I have this in Makayla, but I also have this in LaShawn, and I am literally, again, so excited to try both of these highly colorful wigs. All right, so let's just get into how extremely fabulous this wig is right here. So she is a lob, like absolutely so exciting. I'm obsessed with a bob, especially an asymmetrical bob, as that's my normal hairstyle that I love to rock. So not only with that, she's clearly the most gorgeous, stunning, concentrated color, as you can see. And then as well, she has such a deep parting right here. Oh my gosh, like literally it's like 6 inches. It is gorgeous and also gorgeously plucked out as well. And then she also has these gorgeously pre-cut baby hairs. So extremely exciting. We will lay those down. So let's talk about the actual construction of this wig. So she does have medium tone lace right here. She has 2 combs right up here in the front. And then she also has 1 comb right in the back. And as for her like wig cap size, she is a medium, but I really feel she's a little bit on the slightly smaller side just from holding her and kind of stretching her around, which is exciting. So if you do need a little bit of a smaller wig cap, like this would be absolutely perfect. All right, so let's put this girl on. So I do have a nude wig cap right here that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I really love these wig caps. And I put my wigs on front to back. Okay, here she is. So let's take a look at the lace front really quickly. So of course she is, plucked out nicely, but definitely, plucking her even more. If you would like to lighten her up is definitely key. And she does have ear-to-ear lace as well. Also, this is heat safe, like 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So definitely have fun with her if you'd like to heat modify her. So let's take our scissors really quickly and just cut off the lace. I'm really in love with this wig because it has so many attributes that I absolutely love. First of all, it being this gorgeous lob, and then also having a very, very, very deep parting. I'm obsessed with that. And of course, the pre-cut baby hairs just make it look even more natural. And this wig is so extremely lightweight. I love that it is heat safe, and I love clearly that it comes in 1,000 amazing colors. And that's what it's all about, bringing a little color into this life, because sometimes it's a little drabby, and why not pop it up and just be absolutely stunning and a striking color. So again, this wig is from Sam's Beauty right here. Her name is Makayla, and she's in, of course, hot pink, as you can see. Definitely stay tuned for when I will be doing LaShawn. I would absolutely love to know if any of you have this wig in another color, or if you also have a favorite hot pink wig. I would love to know and see you in your wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing as you can possibly be. Because remember, life is short, wear a wig and have fun. And we will see you soon.